So some of the reticence is, how long is it going to last? And you know, that's important, again, as I mentioned, that everything has to be ready for me as if we're in a Broadway show, right? The curtain goes up, I have to have the set, I have to have the actors, we have the script. These machines, on a minimum, get used 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, 360 days a year. And other than replacing the sprockets, I have had no problem with the machine, which means when I get in there, where it was plugged in is where it's going today for tomorrow, and it goes right to work for us. And the dependability of the machine was something we had no benchmark to put against. Now we know, you know, and if and when, and more likely when, the idea comes to purchase a third one, it's with full confidence, right across the board. You know, the functionality of the machine, the service from the manufacturer, the patience of the manufacturer, you know, and its ease of doing, you know, the simplest of repairs to it, which keeps us working in real time. I wasn't expecting all of that from one company, and we managed to get it, and I'm elated.